friends, welcome to my channel Manish World. Today I am gonna open my laptop and remove the SSD from my laptop. So I'm gonna show you how to remove the laptop. First of all, I am gonna open my battery of the laptop, and here you can see there are two screws inside, here and here. We will open the screw first. After removing the screw, I will show you where the SSD remains. As you can see, here is the SSD card. Here are two screws. We have to open the screws. After that we can remove the SSD from the laptop. Here we have to click this. It's so simple, right? I have removed the SSD card, as you can see, and in the same way we can remove the hard disk also. I'm gonna put this back.